Hello, my name is Miss Elizabeth, and I'm going to tell you about our newest checkout kit. What do you see in today's moon? This backpack is available at the circulation desk for you to pick up and take home with you for a few weeks. This backpack will help you explore what you see in today's moon. Begin your exploration by taking a look at the 10 assorted moon-themed books that we've included in this kit. Now, there are nonfiction books, which means that they are factual books to help you learn things about the moon, why it looks the way that it does, and even how we were able to travel there and back. There are books of stories and poetry inspired by the moon. This book asks you to take a closer look the next time you see the moon and gives you some things to think about. We've included a bilingual storybook that some of you may already be familiar with. It has some great pop-outs and pictures. There are books in here to make you think, ones that will give you answers to questions that you didn't know you had, and some are just for fun. We hope you enjoy the books that we've chosen. Next, pull out the moon story cards. Now, these have illustrations that show what people from other countries have seen in the moon. It also includes a real image of the full moon you would see from that country or region. Look at the different moons that are visible in the different parts of the world. Can you see what they saw? What do you see when you look at our moon? The moon phases cards can help you identify what phase the moon is currently in. Take them out and compare them to what you see in the sky. We've included in the kit a pocket guide to the moon. It has facts about the moon. It also includes a detailed map of the moon that shows all of the different landing sites. It's a great resource if you're looking for some quick information but don't want to read the whole book yet. The next thing I'd like to show you is what I like to call our look-alike moon rocks. Now, every time that the astronauts have gone to space, they've brought back samples of the different materials that they found out there. Now, on the moon, they brought back moon rock and moon dust samples from different areas where they landed. The three types of rocks that we've included in here are the three common types that are found on the moon. These samples are, of course, from Earth, but they'll give you a better idea of what the moon is made of. Feel free to take out the samples and take a closer look with the magnifying glass. It should help you see why the moon appears to be different colors, dark and light. Now that you've learned a bit more about the moon, take the drawing kit outside and make your own picture of the moon. Use the pencils and paper that we've provided to draw your own picture of the moon. Maybe make up a small story or a poem. Use your imagination. Don't be afraid to come back into the library and show off what you've seen in today's moon. We would love to see what you come up with.